Moonchild, staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're dreaming of tonight. And the skyline is a fading light. But it seemed like the stars ain't never shine so bright. Staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're seeing in your mind. And the skyline is a fading light. But it seemed like the stars ain't never looked so bright. But it seemed like the stars ain't never shine so bright.
Hi, I'm Claire, and this is the Safety First Welcome Baby Nursery Collection. As many new parents know, it's easy to forget some of the small things you may need when caring for an infant. Luckily, this collection has it all in one convenient package. The Quick Trip diaper bag has 2 zippered see-through compartments for baby's accessories, along with an additional touch closure compartment where you can store a diaper and wipes. There's also a sturdy wipes container and a compact waterproof changing mat that unfolds to a full 24 by 11 inches. Whether you're at home or on the go, you want to be prepared if baby isn't feeling well. That's where the digital thermometer, nasal aspirator, bottle-shaped medicine dispenser, easy fill medicine syringe, alcohol wipes, and emergency contact card definitely come in handy. The syringe, aspirator, and medicine dispenser are all made of BPA-free materials to protect the tiniest, most sensitive infant. Keeping baby well groomed will be a cinch with the Easy Grip brush and comb set, cradle cap comb, grippy nail clippers, and emery boards. A fingertip infant toothbrush is also included, as well as a soft toddler toothbrush for when your little one gets a bit bigger. Minus the diapers and wipes, this Safety First Welcome Baby Nursery collection comes with all the essentials to help prepare for your newest arrival. Pick one up today.
Jenna and Dale are young parents, and they believe that they and their babies are on the same page. They are not. And sometimes this happens.
Oh, look at you, all not washed and cold.
We got this. We're just taking a break. Oh no.
Introducing the new Earmo Smart Thermometer, a doctor and a thermometer in one device. The Earmo Smart Thermometer can detect...
Got it.
Oh, it just did.
Oh, it can't be right.
Yep, it literally takes 1 second. And you can clearly see the temperature through Earmo's sleek LED display.
I got it.
By swiping your finger, you can see the previous temperatures.
That can't be right.
The data is instantly transferred onto your phone, where you can compare her current temperature with her past records. And if you're unsure about her symptoms, you can consult the app.
Babe, I think she has I can't pronounce it, but it seems serious.
And if you want an easy confirmation, simply send the data from the app to her family physician. With a quick confirmation from her doctor, Jenna is feeling pretty good about herself and about Earmo. And with Earmo, you can check your child's temperature anytime, anywhere.
Okay, yeah, it's happening again.
The Earmo Smart Thermometer won't turn you into an amazing parent overnight, but it might make your life just a little bit easier.
Daddy, I think you're sick.
Being a new parent is exhilarating and exhausting. It's full of wonder and worry.
You never know what to do with a newborn when you bring them home.
This whole experience about being a mom is unlike anything anybody can prepare you for.
We developed the Smart Changing Pad to make it easy to track your baby's weight, feedings, diaper changes. All the information syncs to your phone, so you can see how your baby is growing. Tell how much your baby nurses during a feeding, and keep track of how much your baby's sleeping.
I was really anxious about whether I was making enough milk, but after using the Smart Changing Pad, it showed me that I was actually producing more milk nursing than I was pumping. I was so relieved.
Checking my baby's weight as part of our regular routine gives me comfort that my baby's okay.
Since my babies were born, I tracked pretty much everything. Diaper changes, how long they slept, how much they ate, and what's great about the Hatch Baby app is it keeps it all in one place.
I just went back to work and I was really worried about the transition. But then when I got a notification at work, it made me feel connected to him again.
You'll know your baby's growing. You'll know your baby's healthy. And that means more time for the good stuff. The Smart Changing Pad from Hatch.
Boon Squirt isn't just a spoon, it's a revelation. With its simple, easy-to-clean two-piece design, you just unscrew the base of Squirt, fill it with up to 3 ounces of your baby's favorite food, then screw the spoon back on and you're ready to go. Squirt dispenses food into the spoon for perfect bite-sized portions as you gently squeeze its sides, making for happy parents and babies. Because feeding time should be simple. And if there's still food left over after feeding time, Squirt comes with a cap that clips onto the spoon so you can store it for later or take it on the go without worrying about the mess.
Gently heat your milk to the perfect temperature using the Pump and Go warmer. To warm your milk, fill the base unit with 1 1/4 cups of water. If heating a pouch, place the pouch basket into position. Hold down the power button for 2 seconds to switch on. Select the starting temperature of your milk from refrigerated, frozen or room temperature. Choose the type of container you're warming, from plastic bottle, glass bottle or milk pouch, and how much milk you would like to warm. Then insert your pouch into the holder, or place your bottle directly into the unit. Close the lid and press the power button again to start the warming cycle. When the milk is ready for baby, the unit will beep 3 times and the red light will flash. Open the lid and remove your pouch or bottle, taking care not to touch the water inside the unit. Your milk is now ready for baby. New Pump and Go from Tommy Tippy, making life easier for mums who pump.